folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're gonna take up the Habu STS. Gonna have a little bit of fun with her. She's all over. All right. All right, here we go. I'm flying her in high rates, 100% throws over 30% expo. I'm running a 4000 Smart Spectrum battery, 4000 4S. This is one very, very stable bird. Unfortunately, the wind is across the runway today, so landing her is going to be fun. What I'm going to do is take her out here and bring her in this way. But going too fast. So I don't have brakes on this bird to help slowing her down. And she wants to float forever. For a jet, she's very much a floater. Power's off now.
Time remaining, minutes.
There we go. Definitely not flying very jet-like today, is she? She's almost like a Jeep jet. That makes any sense at all. Oh, by the way, it's also very, very windy. There we go. And that is the Habu STS. That's the plug-and-play version. I am running, like I say, motor off, so, oh wait, motor off. Got different buttons on this one. And I'm running a 4000 Smart S right there. I'm running a Lemon RX. Actually, no, I got an Admiral Stability Plus in there. Was safe, but I don't have the safe enabled. And anyways, there you go. That's that. Thank you so much for watching, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.